Hello friends, my name is Ayan Atif and today I will tell you about sense of hearing. Allah has blessed us with 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of hearing, sense of touch, and sense of smell. But as mentioned earlier, today we will be discussing sense of hearing. You wake up to the sound in the morning. What sound is this? Yes, it is an alarm clock. When you are at school, what does hearing this sound indicate? It indicates that the period is over. You are sitting in a room and you hear the sound and you become excited. Oh yes, the ice cream man is here. You are on the road and you hear this sound. What would you do next? It is the siren of an ambulance, and when you hear this, you try to make way for an ambulance. All these situations are examples of how we use our sense of hearing in our daily life. We use ears to hear. Ears receive sounds from outside and carry signals to the brain. Then our brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. Hearing is essential for maintaining relationship and connections with friends and family, fully participating in team and community activities, and experiencing life events and interacting with people. A person who cannot hear is called deaf. A person who is born deaf cannot learn to use spoken language because in order to learn to speak, one needs the auditory feedback. So, the question is, how deaf people communicate? Deaf people mostly rely on visual language, in which they use their hands to make signs, to make others understand what they want to tell. And if others want to communicate with them, they also use sign language. Apart from this, they can use written communications to express themselves. Here in the picture, you see two people communicating using sign language. Hearing is also associated with pleasure. For instance, enjoying listening to music or relaxing by hearing the sounds of nature. Hearing is also important for our safety. It warns you of a potential danger before it can actually be seen. Some examples include crossing the road on foot, driving a vehicle, responding to fire, smoke, or intruder alarms. Let me tell you one interesting fact. Some animals use sense of hearing to locate objects and navigate. This is called echolocation. To echolocate, bats send out sound waves from the mouth or nose. When the sound waves hit an object, they produce echoes. The echo bounces off the object and returns to the bat's ears. Bats listen to the echoes to figure out where the object is, how big it is, and its shape. Now that we know how important the sense of hearing is, let us thank Allah for blessing us with this and all the other senses. Thank you.